this video, we're going to be talking about how to use TEMU referral program and everything you need to know about the referral program. So first things first, what you need to do is sign up directly through the TEMU affiliate page to receive your own unique referral code and link. And once signed up, you will get a personalized referral code and a link. So for example, INC 638012 or so on. And what you need to do is simply create TikToks, Instagram Reels, or YouTube videos showcasing TEMU items using your link in the bio or comments. And you can also share your link code with friends, families, or online groups to get them to download the application. When you go ahead and share 100 to 200 pounds coupon bundles or hot items to go ahead and entire click, you can earn a 20 to 30% commission on orders made by new users within their first 30 days. You can also receive cash rewards, approximately $5 to $10 for each new user who downloads and logs in into the app via your link. And you can also earn 5 to 20% commission on subsequent orders from users you referred. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the